This Ignite 360 Train to Improve integrated strength exercise is a multi-joint chest press with a resistance band. The purpose of the exercise is to teach your athlete to express strength sequentially through the lower body, pass through the core, right to the fingertips. To set them up, start by taking your 6-foot resistance band and wrap it around a solid post. Cue them to set up parallel stance, athletic ready, legs preloaded, core and mid-back set. Bring the handles level with the shoulders. To execute the exercise beginning, drop the hips into triple flexion to load deep in your center of mass in the middle of the base of support. Initiate the movement, cueing the athlete to triple extend ankle, knee, hip, pass the force summing power through the core and express right through to the fingertips. Drawing back under control, down and back into a loaded position. Again, extending, getting tall, and summing power right through to the fingertips. All right, let's set up a multi-joint chest press with the resistance band. Narrow your feet a bit to shoulder width, brace through the core, set the mid-back, hands up. Let's preload the legs down into triple flexion. Lower the hips, lower the hips. Now extend, get tall, ankle, knee, hip, and shoot right through. That's great. Want to see your heels come right off the ground at the top. Load low, shoot through, fire through to the fingertips. Great job. Now get low and deep, heels down, legs, core, upper body. Great job. Want to see everything fire in order from lower body, shoot through. Keep the trunk strong, load the legs deep. Let's go. Push through that resistance and control it back. Excellent work. Drop down low, shoot through the legs, fire to the fingertips. Excellent job. Great job, Dino. For the Train to Improve exercise, let's add an overload variable. In this case, we'll increase the load and switch from a bilateral two-handed chest press to a unilateral. The purpose of switching to the one arm outside the midline and increasing the loading is to improve strength off the one side of the body, requiring a lot greater core contribution. Expect to see breakdowns at the shoulder and the hip where there may be weak links we can identify and train up in this exercise. All right, let's switch from the two hands to a single hand off the one side. We'll double up on the resistance. So you've got more load off to the one side. I want to see you get set in that athletic ready stance. Bring your feet in just a little bit closer. Now let's load up the legs, really brace through the trunk, come down low and extend ankle, knee, hip, and press through. Love it. Switch right through. We're going to come right through to my hand. Full expression right through. Great stuff. Keep strong through the trunk. Stay nice and square. Shoulders and hips. Great job, Dino. Come down low. Weight down and back. Load low and extend and fire right through. Excellent job. Control back. Get low. Preload the legs. Power right through. Legs to upper body. Excellent job. Shoot through. Right through the fingertips. Right to my hand. Excellent. I love what you're doing on there. Let's fire off another rep. Get low, get tall, and fire right through. Excellent job staying square. In our Train to Gain progression, we'll increase the complexity of this integrative strength exercise by combining ground-based balance with the strength challenge. In this case, we've selected a BOSU balance trainer. Can we set up in an athletic ready position, please, atop the BOSU balance trainer? Now come up a little bit taller and just set up in a ready position. Level the feet, track the knees, brace through the trunk, and really set through the mid-back. Similar exercise, dropping down into a loaded triple flex position under control, right through to the fingertips. Come back under control, keeping good time under tension, load, and pass through sequentially through to the fingertips. Drop down under control and fire through. Can you give me one more repetition? Good control, keeping the body square, come down nice and low. Love it, great job. And relax, excellent work. In our Train to Perform progression, we will integrate explosive movement to layer all three elements: strength, balance, and explosive movement. This will cause an effect on the body to link the entire kinetic chain and draw more upon our anaerobic capacities at a higher metabolic cost. You'll be asking the athlete to have the intent to link their body on deceleration as they move from a multi-joint jump atop the BOSU balance trainer, pressing through to full extension as they handle that deceleration, landing with good core control prior to exiting off the balance trainer. So for my athlete, Dean, let's keep on the unilateral position. We'll set up behind the BOSU preloaded into, let's get into an athletic ready stance, okay? Come up a little taller first, and we'll brace through the trunk, set the mid back, preload the legs. Now drop down into a forward jump, stick hold, and shoot that arm right through, and step off the BOSU preload. Now load into triple flexion, extend, get tall, shoot right through, great job, and come back under control, and then step off. Excellent. Continue on. I have the athlete expressing right through to the fingertips and then earning that under tension before exiting from the balance trainer. Land, express, control, keep that trunk strong, great job, and step off. Now take a breather. We're now going to set up with some repeats, increasing the tempo and improve the explosiveness. Let's load and explode, land, shoot through, and jump right back off on the exit, bringing in that plyometric coupling. Load and intent to power through. Come on, shoot right through with that arm. Great job. One more rep. Here we go. Load and push through. Excellent job. Great job.